Hey everyone, welcome to the Wealth Path. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can earn money with your furry best friend, your dog. If you're a dog owner, you know how much joy and happiness they bring to your life, but did you know that they can also help you earn some extra cash? In this video, we're going to explore some ways you can make money with your dog. Option 1. Dog walking. The first way you can earn money with your dog is by becoming a dog walker. If you have a flexible schedule and love spending time with dogs, this could be a great option for you. You can sign up on platforms like Rover or Wag, where you can set your own rates and pick the clients that are the best fit for you and your pup. Plus, you'll get some exercise while you're at it. Option 2. Dog sitting. Another option for earning money with your dog is by becoming a dog sitter. This is a great option if you have a friendly and well-behaved dog that enjoys the company of other dogs. You can again use platforms like Rover or Wag to find clients who are looking for someone to take care of their dog while they're away. You can set your own rates and pick the clients that are the best fit for you and your dog. Option 3. Pet photography. If you have a talent for photography, you can combine your passion for photography with your love for dogs to make money. Pet photography is a growing industry, and many dog owners are willing to pay for professional photos of their furry friends. You can start by offering your services to friends and family, and then expand your business by setting up a website and social media pages to showcase your work. Option 4. Social media influencer. Finally, if you have a dog with a big personality and an even bigger social media following, you can become a social media influencer. Many brands are looking to partner with social media influencers to promote their products, and if your dog has a large following, you could make some serious money. You can start by creating a social media page for your dog and sharing cute and engaging content that resonates with your audience. So there you have it, some ways you can earn money with your dog. Whether you choose to become a dog walker, dog sitter, pet photographer, or social media influencer, there are plenty of opportunities to make some extra cash while spending time with your furry best friend. Just remember to always prioritize your dog's safety and well-being and have fun while you're at it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on personal finance and wealth creation.